Cage back door open, raising a sharp cookie. Jump squeak out of the gate, putting up My Lady Hannah now from the outside. It's now My Lady Hannah, followed by Sharp Cookie, Formidable Ella. The next online Soul Invictus. Then followed by Hot Gossip. Around the outside now is Sharp Eye. Then followed by Ankle. And moving up by the wheel, Storm Signal. Next online, Inspiring Quick Play. And going along for the first turn, My Lady Hannah. Just in front, followed by Formidable Ella. Running by the wheel, 30 Sharp Cookie. Here comes Soul Invictus. Now for the outside, fourth. Passing the half mile, My Lady Hannah. Being joined by Formidable Ella, Soul Invictus, Sharp Cookie. Hot Gossip is racing fifth under the 2 lengths. Here comes the couple runner, the Sharp Iron Storm Signal. Inside the last 600. Formidable Ella takes the lead by line, followed by Soul Invictus. Running by the wheel, Sharp Cookie, Hot Gossip. Here comes Storm Signal and Sharp Eye. And towards the final turn, it is still Formidable Ella leading by line, Sharp Cookie sneaking by the wheel, but still Formidable Ella followed by Sharp Cookie. Soul Invictus, Storm Signal, Hot Gossip, but still Formidable Ella, Soul Invictus on the outside, and finally class 1, Formidable Ella, Soul Invictus, Sharp Cookie, Storm Signal.
All right.